As you can see, Preetham's Punjabi flavor failed to make a hit with the girl. Now he's going to take him to Udupi Masala, which is a South Indian restaurant owned and operated by his very good friend. So let's see what the South Indian flavor has in store for Kevin.
Good morning, students. My name is Subramaniam. Subramaniam Chidambaram Venkateshwar.
Nice to meet you, Subramaniam Chutney.
No. It will be Subbi.
Subbi.
Yeah. My very good friend Preetham was telling me you were looking for a very beautiful cheeks.
Cheeks?
And I'm at the government old age. Me, Preetham, and all of us like George, Uncle, Matthew, all of us from Dubai and the cult, they all come here and we play football after church. And then we all go and check out the hot cheeks playing volleyball on the pitch. It's simply first class.
You say cheeks? Oh, chicks at the beach.
Yeah,
I do gotta find myself a hot chick.
Of course. Then why you take advice from this stupid Punjabi samosa? I'm sure it's South Indian way how to hit on the girls. It's really simple. You see that sambar? I'll teach you how to do it.
You're not gonna sing and dance too, are you?
Shut up, I'm not. I sing very good.
अभी देखो चूपिस्तानु